Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test color contrast in your InDesign documents to ensure they're accessible for all users. The goal, high contrast between foreground and background colors to meet WCAG, Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. The tool I'll be using today is TPGI's Color Contrast Checker. It's free and super easy to use. You can download it here at www.tpgi.com/color-contrast-checker. It's available for both Windows and Mac. Once installed, follow these steps. Use the eyedropper tool to select your text foreground color. Then select the background color behind the text. Check the WCAG results. If it passes AA or AAA, you're good to go. If it fails, you need to adjust the colors. I'll test this gray text on a white background. It passes all levels. Now let's try this aqua color text. It fails AAA for regular text. To fix this, I'll darken the color and retest until it passes. Text isn't the only thing you'll need to test. Charts, graphs, and images with text must also be accessible. I'll test this bar chart with the cranberry and aqua backgrounds. Cranberry background plus text fails AAA. Aqua background plus text fails both AA and AAA. To improve contrast, I'll switch the text to white. Works for cranberry. But fails for aqua. I'll darken the aqua and retest. Now it passes. That's it for this PDF accessibility color contrast tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more InDesign accessibility tips. In my next video, I'll show you how to add tags to your document's styles for accessibility. Stay tuned for more from the Graphic Designer's Toolbox.